Hi there, I'm Vicki Parfano for Aussie Stampers. I'm here with a new release in my Etsy store. I wanted to show you what's available. 38 art journaling quotes. Now here they are available as a single download. There are 5 pages of these and 38 quotes in all. And they are different sizes, different styles, and they are either quotes about art or they are motivational quotes in general. And this is what they look like and how they print out. Now, I've printed these out on plain white computer paper. I've also printed them out on regular white cardstock, but you could print them out on a cream colour cardstock, or you could print them out on a pale grey or a very pale colour, depending on what your preference is for backgrounds. But what I plan on doing with these is cutting them out and using them on my art journal pages. I find that often the quote is the hardest part, so I wanted to make it easier for you. Now you can see here the one on the left is US letter size, the one on the right is A4 size, so they will print out in either size. This is on Whisper White cardstock from Stampin' Up, or you could use Nina Solar White cardstock. This particular one I have printed out on this special sheets, which are called, well, they're Organza, and they are from Jacquard Studios, and they print out for layering over the top. So this organza, I can cut them out and layer it on top. But any plain white paper would do. So if you just have white printer paper, that would work as well, because you can gesso it onto your page. You can colour it with whatever colouring mediums you want to, or you can leave it plain white. You can draw borders around it. I hope they're going to give you some inspiration, lots of inspiration. 38 journaling quotes, you're bound to find lots of inspiration here. So pop on over to my Etsy store, Vicki Parfano Studio. The link is below the video. And happy art journaling. Bye for now.